So I have two LED strips glued into this plastic U-shaped channel, and I want to make a desk lamp with it, with a simple light switch, and I want to be able to light up only one strip, half of the power, and both, or either one. So with a simple light switch, I will wire the positive here from a 12-volt power supply with a plug. Wire the positive here, it will switch the positive to this or both, and the negative will go directly from the plug. And this should be simple and easy to do. I prepared some wires, 3 wires for the LED strip, 1 for the negative and 2 for positive left and positive right. And let's hook it up and let's see if it works. It should work, but yeah, you never know until you try it. So let's see, how can I wire up this? So the positive is this one. This is the positive. So that will go just to the switch. Let's solder the smaller end. Like that. Focus or something. And let's see. Okay. This will be wired here on this side. Let's see. This is meant for much thicker wire, but it should work. Just tighten it. Yep, that should do it. Oh, I got the insulation. That is not good. Nope, it's good. Okay, just tighten it. So that's the positive, and that positive will go to these 2 positives here. Where are these? These are brand new, but the lug nut is way down. I don't know why. They expected thicker wire than the hole. Wire that you can't even fit in. So like that, tighten it. Not too much because it's only 12 volts and thin wire. So this, that, ooh, like that. Perfect. Now in which direction is it open? I think this is open. Whatever. So let's wire up the negative, which is this one. Yeah. Yes. And this will go directly to the LED strip on the negative side, and I will have to connect the negative to the other negative somewhere, but I done that already. There are solder joints on the LED strips. This is a bad job, but I don't care. So 1 positive here. Oh boy, that is breaking off, but Yeah, I will glue it, hot glue it with or something. This is the other positive, like that, and let's connect the negative. I can't show you that on camera because it's too long. I mean, the LED strip is too long. Can I show you? So I just yeah, this is connecting the two negatives. I just have to remove one of the wires because I cut it at one point. Like that. It's off. And connect this one all the way over there in the negative without touching the positive. That would be a foul. I will bend it up later. Bend it up right now. Right now is good. So let's just not touch the positive. Like that. Let's put some solder on it, on the tip, before going in. And I don't want to burn my finger, so I press down with a screwdriver. Like that. Perfect. Oh. Yeah, it's touching. That's interesting. A piece of solder broke off and attached itself to the positive. That's funny. Get out of there. It wants to sabotage my plan here. But everything is insulated, so as long as it can't touch the 2 feet of 2 LEDs, it's fine. So the negatives connected to the negative and 2 positives will connect to the positive, in theory. So yeah, let's try it out. Here's the power supply, and it doesn't go in. Perfect. This is a bad plug. Oh boy. So I will just take one from my other project. This is a burned out car charger. Long story short, this component burned out after just 30 minutes of charging my phone. And yeah, that's $2 wasted. I mean $2 for a perfectly good LED and 2 USB ports. Yeah, that component here needs to be changed or something. I don't know if it's worth it, but yeah, let's change over the plug. Like that. You get out of here, you non-standard plug, you get out. And let's put this one in. This is the negative. Why do they make non-standard plugs? I can't understand it. Laptops I understand, but this was from a stupid appliance with a battery in it. I don't know. An electric shaver or something. So the positive goes here. Like that. And let's see what burns. Shall I just plug it in? It lit up. Both. So if I interrupt one, book, half is down, the other half. Perfect. This is really awesome. Okay, so this was easier than I thought. barely past the 10-minute mark. So yeah, this would be an ideal lamp for a desk, about 60 centimeters off the table, so it will be relatively close, not on the ceiling or something. And yeah, it can be used for reading, and only one strip when you want to work on a computer or something and you don't need that much light. So yeah, this was not even $1. 2 meters of LED strip. That must have cost me like $1.50, and I have all this part laying around. The 12-volt power supply, 12 volt. Let me see. 10 volt, 2 amp, 12 volt, 2 amps. So this is 24 watts. That is perfect for even 5 or 6 meters of LED strip. So yeah, slightly overpowered, but as long as it stays at 12 volts, the LED strip doesn't mind. So one more thing I want to mention is that I could glue the LED strip in this plastic U-channel, because I tested the strip and it doesn't heat up very much. So this is a really cheap and weak LED strip. If you buy something professional or something a lot stronger, that is not going into plastic. That will burn plastic. On those things you have to put an aluminium heatsink on the back and maybe then put it in plastic, so it can spread the heat from the small components to at least the surface around them, and then it will be fine. But this is only appropriate for really weak and cheap LED strips. So yeah, nice.